Are you trying to turn off FaceTime notifications on your iPhone? Disabling these notifications is a great way to minimize distractions during important moments or when you just need some peace and quiet. In this guide, I'll walk you through the easy steps to turn off those FaceTime notifications. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Disable FaceTime notifications. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit. Next, tap on Apps. After that, scroll down again and select FaceTime. Now tap on Notifications. Toggle off Allow Notifications to completely stop all FaceTime notifications. You can also customize your experience by adjusting a few other settings. If you decide to turn on the notification settings again, choose your preferred alert style, whether it's banners, alerts, or none, based on what you like best. Solution 2. Using Do Not Disturb. If you want to silence notifications temporarily, here's what to do. Open Settings, then tap on Focused or Do Not Disturb. After that, turn on Do Not Disturb to silence all notifications, including those pesky FaceTime alerts. By following these steps, you can easily turn off FaceTime notifications on your iPhone and enjoy a quieter experience. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for more handy troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for our next video.